from Kungkalanayi to the entrance of the Bloodwood National Park is about 2 hours on a seal road on the main highway, and then we just pull over at the entrance of the Bloodwood to drop down the tire pressure. There's a toilet here, so I just let the girl go toilet. Now the road all the way to the national park and the visitor center is gonna be unsealed, and a lot of people that we have talked to, they say it's really bad. That's why nobody recommend to take their caravan in. So yeah, we already put our caravan to the repair place because it had a very loud squeaky noise whenever we drive, and we need to have that fixed. So we will be camping in the Bloodwood for 4 nights. Probably gonna be free camp in Wyndham on Sunday, and then come back to Kungkalanayi to pick up our caravan on Monday. So we will have a lot of fun sleeping in the tent. Okay, we have finally arrived at the campsite. We just set up our tent and then quickly drive here at this lookout to see the sunset. I am super disappointed that we could not join here. I read it somewhere, like a few websites said that you now can join anywhere in a national park in WA. You don't need a permit anymore as long as you follow the 5 simple rule, which is we always have been. But here they have a sign said no Jone, so disappointed. But I saw a lot of YouTubers join the dome of the other side, so I don't understand. Okay, so today we're going to do Mini Palm and the Bloodwood Lookout. Homestead one. So last night we slept in a tent. We have not been camping in a tent for a very long time. The last time we did, which is our road trip to Broken Hill. We did a 10-day road trip to Broken Hill, and we bought a tent. Evie was about just over 1 year old back then. We had the inflatable mattress, so we have no problem of sleeping. But this time we didn't have any. We only have a yoga mat, and then we used a sleeping bag to cushion it, but the ground is still hard. The girls sleeping fine, but for us adult, we're struggling a little bit. So hopefully after all the walk we do today, we will get a good sleep tonight. I am so gutted, devastated, I think that's the right word, that we could not join this area because I was so looking forward to it. I read a few articles that we had in WA, you no longer need a permit to join in a national park, hence why I didn't apply for a permit. If I know that you need a permit to join this area, I would have done so, just like I did in NT. Of course, there are places like Kakadu and Uluru you can join, and some area where they put no join, but anywhere else in a national park, if they don't put a sign, you can join it as long as you have a permit, which we did. I prepared that, and I didn't prepare for this one is because I read that you no longer need a permit. Now everywhere we go here, they always have a sign that we need a permit, and now we don't have internet service in this national park to apply for one. I think I need to visit the information center and see what to do. We finished the mini palm gorge this morning. Once we got back to the car, it's about 12 p.m. and then Evie fell asleep on the way, so we let her sleep in the car while Justin setting up the awning, and then we have a bit of a rest, and then I start making hamburger for lunch. The mini palm gorge walk was not hard. The first section was easy, but the second half is a bit of a challenge for our little one. It's just that some sections are very narrow, then have to climb up the rock, and some sections are very rocky, but once we reached the end, the view was stunning. It was like something didn't really expect that to exist, but it did. So yeah, it was beautiful, really worth the walk. and it's actually quite hot right now. Our plan is to do the echidna. We will not skip the echidna. We're just thinking, waiting for to cool down a little bit so we can do. We're probably gonna drive to the echidna, and we're not sure how far from the car park to, I think, echidna Jasm, but we'll see. Well, they are eating lunch at the moment. Once they finish eating, start packing up, and then we will make our way there. Today we need to cook dinner, so we have to come back here a little bit early. Last night it was not so bad. The weather, it's not hot and it's not cold either, but until like in the middle of the night, maybe from 2 to 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. in the morning, it become quite cold, but we do have our blankets, so it's not freezing or anything. And there's a nice couple next to us. They are very lovely. I think they went out for the day, but they are leaving this north side tomorrow, and so are we. We will move our campsite to the south side and exploring the south. The walk to Echidna Jasm is quite difficult, and it's taking longer than we anticipated, so we decided to skip today. We're gonna do that early in the morning because it will give us a lot of time. So we're just gonna go to Osmand Lookout.
We want to go in to the bathroom day because her flower and my hair.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm so pretty.
Oh, wow.
Because we're going to the walk birthday.
Okay.
If we can have it even quiet because I want to put your soul on.
Okay.
Because she's not so, and she's not so happy.
Okay.